This
What is the issue
conference
you're
will
saying?
now be recorded.
Yeah,
If you go to MD04, please.
MD04. Okay.
And this is the one Mazda, yes.
Okay. Okay.
And from the first plan order, if you click
Hmm.
it on the left side,
Okay.
and then production order,
Okay.
Enter.
Enter. Okay. Locked. Locked means somewhere you open the same thing. Okay.
okay. Now
So
I think
maybe another screen. I am coming out from one screen.
yeah,
We are there in another screen.
we were working actually, then we did not.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Yeah, yeah, if you clease everything, yes.
Okay. What's the okay? Production version required. So you are not created production version for your material.
We create from the production order.
Yeah.
But it is red. It is red. It's not a green.
Yeah.
Maybe we use some material, something from your production,
Okay.
not compatible 100% maybe with our
Yeah.
product.
Correct.
It
We'll
happens
see.
sometimes if you copy something.
Yeah. Production
Yeah.
version. Okay.
Yeah.
You enter these details. Okay, fine. Go to the details. Now you did not
Red.
check actually.
Yeah.
You can
We
see
check it, but
yellow
it
is there.
give red.
Yeah, you need to click and check. So you can see does not exist, exist. Okay, no problem. Does not exist means actually you created on today 18th, but start date you put on 16th. So that is the reason it is saying does not exist. Okay, you can
Oh,
change the date. You change this date, start date. You put today's date
18.
18, and again check it. So now task
Wow,
list exists. BYM
great.
exists.
Actually, we create the version in a
Yeah.
material about 2 days ago.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, now if you go back, we will see
Yeah.
the error
Now you
comes.
can
Be green.
click.
Wow, great.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So click on continue and continue and then save
Save.
it.
Right.
Wow.
I want to check. Okay, save.
Okay,
Very
perfect.
good. Now we will go into MD04 now.
Yeah.
Let's see now. Okay. MD04 planned order. Okay. So in this case, what we can do
It says
is
something sign comes again, I think.
no. Actually, these planned orders are created before we create a production version. Okay, you
Oh,
created just now the production version. To
we have to delete it.
yeah, we need to delete these planned orders and recreate. Okay,
Yeah.
how you can do is you can run MRP once again.
Hey, yeah.
Okay, MD01N.
Yeah.
Okay, here you can see planning mode. You can change the planning mode. You can see
Delete.
delete and recreate. So in this
Yeah.
case, system will delete the old planned orders and create a new planned orders.
Yeah.
Select it and you can execute.
Oh, great, man.
So now this is example for this mode, planning mode, delete and recreate.
Great. Wow.
Yeah.
Material scope, it is A, all time A. Is that right?
Yeah, yes, yeah, MRP
Yeah.
related. So 3 materials are planned. You can go to the
MG04. This one, yeah.
MD0. Yeah, from here
Oh,
also you can go actually, no problem. This is MD04. Okay, new planners has come. Now you can convert. Okay,
oh, great. Okay.
okay, you can save
Thank
and you
you.
can proceed. So when you
Yeah.
practice, all these issues will come. So you will learn more
Learn.
actually.
Right.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure, sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
agree with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot,
Okay.
Wes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. So I have not saved the production order. Okay. You
No,
can
no.
convert
Yeah.
and you can proceed.
Now this
Yeah, but
radio,
all of them are light red,
radio
right? Yes,
the,
because
the
Yeah.
radio, the
Yeah.
radio
I will tell you.
button
I
lights.
will. I will tell you. Don't worry. Now I'm opening MD04. Okay.
yeah,
MD04. So here you can see individual access, collective access.
yeah,
Okay. Individual access and collective access. So
yeah,
this is individual, always it is there. So you are entering one material and plant. If you select the collective access, okay, here you can select collective means multiple materials, okay, and plant MRP controller wise or vendor production line wise, all these are the selection criteria you need to select. Example like our MRP controller is 001 and execute, press enter. So it will show you multiple materials here. Okay. Out of these materials, you want to see this material MD04 means all the requirements and everything. You can select and click on this selected material list. So it will show you like earlier. Okay. So now this is how to navigate into this multiple materials. Now your question is why this light is there.
Right.
Okay. This light, you can see light red or green.
Mhm.
These are called traffic lights.
Mhm.
Okay. You can do the some settings to execute these traffic lights. Okay. For example, here you will have the data. Okay. Like your stock days supply. Okay. Stock days supply. Days supply. Days supply means this is a one of the parameter MRP people will measure it. Okay. What is a days supply means? Days supply means with existing stock, how many days I can survive?
zero.
I can survive means, for example, you have a stock of 100 pieces. Okay. You have a stock, for example, your tire is there. I have 100 pieces. So every day you need 50 pieces. You need every day 50 pieces. So assume that today is 18th, tomorrow is 19th, and 20th. Okay. So
Yeah,
with the existing stock, how many days you can survive? Only 2 days you
two.
can survive because you
Yeah,
need 50 every day. So that
yeah,
is called the days supply. That
yeah.
number is called the days supply. So in this case, example, days supply is 2 days. Okay. So system will show you how many days here.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't have sufficient stock, then always it is just like it will show you minus 999.
Mhm.
You don't have the stock. Okay. I'm checking where is the stock field. Okay. Yeah, this is a
Strange.
stock.
Sometime it
Yeah,
use
here.
nine. minus 55 minus 14 minus
Yeah,
3.4.
yeah,
You see?
I will tell you. So here is
Mm.
the stock. Okay, stock.
Yeah.
So these two cases, zero is there. You don't have a sufficient stock. Okay, so wherever these minus are coming, so those minus for them, it will
Sure.
show you the traffic lights red. Okay, now if you come to the another example like tire, okay, why it is showing minus? Still you have the stock. Okay, okay. Now I am going to this material.
Because maybe you put 5,000. No,
Yeah.
no, no, no.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
no. You can see what is today's date? 18th.
18.
17, 18,
Okay.
18.
By 18th, before 18th, you have some order reservations. Like you have a 1700 is your stock, but in 15th you need for this car order 550. So minus 550. 17 minus 550, 1150. Again this order 750. So minus 750, it is 400. Again 500. So minus has come. Okay. And again today some order is there 350 minus. So even though you have the stock, but you have an orders of old orders, past orders you have. Because of that, its stock is showing you minus. Okay, so because of this, system is showing you the minus actually day supply. Okay, and again you have a purchase requisition. Purchase requisition means expecting stock from vendor. That
Yeah.
is, it will show you 500. Okay, so then 500, this minus 350 becomes as 150, but that is in future, not now. Okay, so existing stock expired by 15th, which is minus 3 days. Okay,
Oh, okay.
it is completed means it should consume by 15th. Consume means it will become zero by 15th. That 15th is 3 days past. So that is the reason it is showing you the past means minus 3 days. You can see.
Okay.
Okay. So
Right.
why these traffic lights means planners, you have 100 materials. Okay. So each one material and go and checking in MD04 is very difficult as a planner. So in real time, planners will come into this screen and check which are having the red lights and only analyze these red lights only. Okay, because green means it is okay, fine. Some stock is there and requirements is not. Okay, but if it comes to the red, means something is there.
Yeah.
Okay, so they will analyze only red. That is the meaning of these red lights and this transaction code.
So after we finish the our material and everything, then the green lights here come. Can we delete after this, or yeah, we can leave it here?
No, automatically it will become green if you have sufficient stock.
No, no, I'm talking about from this 1621. When you work on this will go green. Can we delete this, or we leave it
No,
here
no, we
because
won't delete. We will leave it like this. This is a kind of report for
I see.
analysis. We
I
are
see.
not deleting any records. It is
Okay,
a report only.
I
System
see.
will generate. Okay.
Okay.
So, is it clear this transaction code?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now,
So,
yesterday we discussed on the capacity planning. Any questions on that? I hope you are clear on it. capacity planning. Correct?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Okay.
And the leveling, we work on the leveling too.
Okay.
Capacity leveling.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday we discussed the capacity leveling and capacity leveling also. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So leveling
Evaluation.
means it is nothing but a sequencing of orders. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so very important thing is mass processing. Okay. What is mass processing? Mass processing means, okay, you have tomorrow, you need to release 100 orders. Okay. So is it possible for you to release one by one? Means go to CO02, open the transaction code, and release means you need to click on that flag and save it. So how much time it will take to make these 100 orders? If we take 1 minute or 2 minutes per order,
Mhm.
that means it will take for you 200 minutes.
Yeah.
200 minutes means nothing but a 3.5 hours. Okay,
Right.
half day you need to spend.
Mhm.
So is there any easy way that I can release all the orders at a time?
Okay.
Okay, that is called mass processing. Okay, to do this mass processing of not only release, you can do some other activities also in this mass processing, like availability check. Okay,
Mhm.
capacity leveling. Okay, those things I will show you now. What mass means, at a time you can select the multiple orders and you can do that activity, that function. Okay, in mass processing, what are the activities we can do? We will see.
What are the activities? Can you say, tell me one
Yeah,
more
yeah,
time?
we will we'll see that now.
Oh,
So for this mass processing, the transaction code is COHV.
for
Okay,
mass processing, COHV.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
now I will open the transaction code. Okay,
Mhm.
before this, actually the cycle from starting to ending is completed.
Mhm.
Cycle means from creation of forecast to goods receipt is completed. Okay, so we are discussing now the subtopics like availability check and capacity planning. Okay, and another subtopic is like mass processing. Okay,
Mhm.
so now I will go to the COHV, or if you want navigation path production
Mhm.
shop floor.
Ah,
What happened?
I'm trying to see my um, Snake software, and I did not find. Just give me 1 second. And
You can type that in menu.
yeah, yeah, just one
Yeah,
second.
something.
Just 1 second.
Yeah, yeah. So path for this one is production, shop floor control, and control. Then you can see mass processing.
Okay, now, okay, just give me 1 second. And let me go here. All right.
Okay, mass processing. So open this transaction code. Yeah, can I go?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay. So once you open this transaction code, first you can select the list. List is order headers. We have so many here. We'll discuss. First you can select order headers. Okay. Then in mass processing, what are the things you can do is in the bottom you can see two tabs. One is selection, second is mass processing. Go to the mass processing. Okay. And here functions. You can see. So in mass processing, you can do all these things.
Yeah.
Example, confirmation. So that means you can select multiple orders and you can do confirmation CO15 at a time. Automatically it will get confirmed.
Okay, just one second.
Material availability check.
Yeah.
You can select the multiple orders and you can do them all orders availability check. You want to take the print of papers, printing.
Yeah.
You can select the multiple orders, you can give the print command, it
Yeah.
will get printed.
Okay.
Release, you can do the multiple release.
I see. So you in mass processing means you can do a lot of functions at the same time.
Correct. These are the functions. Okay.
Now
Yeah.
you say order header is this is
Mm.
a production order, right?
Yeah, correct. Production order.
Okay.
Okay. I will take one example now here.
Mhm.
And okay, first I will show you how it looks like. Release. Okay. So you want to release multiple orders. Okay. Do we have any orders? Okay. I don't know. Okay. So you you select which function you want to do. First is example release, then select, then click on selection tab. Here you can give for which orders or which materials you want to release. Okay, which production orders you want to release, you can select here. Means like example, I want to see all the orders for Honda car. You can enter that material and
Mhm.
enter the plant. Okay,
Mhm.
or you want to see all orders in this plant, then remove the material, only give the plant, and you can use the MRP controller. Okay,
Mhm.
so now you can click on execute. So system will show you all the orders which are there in this plant. Okay,
In this plant means the car, tire, and
correct.
everything.
Yeah, production orders only. Tire is not a production order.
I
Okay,
see. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
like your Mazda, if you create a production order, it will show you.
Uh,
Only production orders it will
so
show you.
how we can put the we can put only one material in the plant because the Mazda is related with the same plant, right? That's why.
Yeah, plant only, but Mazda don't have any production orders.
Yes.
Okay, so that is the reason it is not showing.
Mhm.
Okay, now here these are the orders, it is displayed, and you can see the status. REL means this is already released.
Released,
Okay, only CRTD is there, only one order is there.
created.
Okay, created. So you can release this only one order.
Mhm.
Okay, that is one thing. Now you don't want to see released orders also. You don't want to see released orders. Okay,
Mhm.
you want to see only this order. So then what you can do is go back in the selection screen. You can see in the bottom system status. REL means it is nothing but a status. Okay, you select that status from F4 list. You select that status
Mhm.
and click on exclude.
Mhm.
Exclude. So I don't want released orders. I want only created orders. Okay. So you exclude. You can select exclude. So it won't show released orders. Then
Yes.
execute.
Okay.
Now you can see it is showing only one order. Okay. Now how to release this order is
Mhm.
select this order
Mhm.
and click on this button. Mass processing. This button is there.
Just 1 second.
Yeah. This is very important because everyday people will use this mass transaction.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I click?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. So you click on this button. So system will open the function, release and everything. Click on execute button.
Execute. Just 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
Oh, I put
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Let me see.
Click on execute button. Now, okay. In the bottom, it will show you can see mass processing executed. One log. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, in the same screen, presently its status is CRTD. Whether it is released or not, you want to see, go to the list and click on refresh. So it's gone. Means it is released. That order got released.
Yeah.
Okay. So like this, if you have multiple orders, you can do the multiple orders activity. Same. You can select the multiple orders and click this button. It will release all the orders. You can try. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will show you another
Yes.
example. Okay. Now for your Mazda, you have created a planned orders, correct?
Uh, yes.
Okay. You want
Yes.
to
Yes.
convert
Yes.
them. You want to convert all your planned orders into production orders.
Yes.
Okay. So here you can see the radio buttons. Automatically production order is selected. So it is showing you only production orders.
Mhm.
Now conversion of planned order to production orders belongs to planned orders.
Mhm.
So then you select this planned order checkbox and
Mhm.
remove this production order. Okay. Remove the production order, only select the planned order.
Okay.
Now,
Just 1 second. Just 1 second.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on mass processing and select the function like convert to planned order.
Okay.
Okay. Select it and click on selection. You can select a plant and you want to enter only specific to Mazda, you can enter Mazda also. Okay. Or if you not enter any Mazda, it will show all planned orders.
I
Okay.
see.
And then click on execute button.
Okay.
Now you can see all your planned orders, 5 planned orders is there. I'm
Yeah.
opening MD04
Mhm.
to check Mazda. Okay. You have how many? 5 planned orders are there. All are planned orders only. You don't have any production orders. Okay. Now I am going to the mass processing transaction once again. So out of these 5, you want to convert all 5, you can convert. You want to convert only the orders which are in this month only. in this month only means these two orders only you want to convert. You can select. Okay.
Just 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now select these orders and click this execute button. Mass processing
Mhm.
and execute.
Okay.
So now it is done actually. You can see mass processing executed. Okay. Now if you go to the MD04, you can see that MD04. Okay. I'm just refreshing MD04. Now you can see this is one production order and this is one production. Okay. Two planned orders are converted into production orders and remaining three planned orders are like this.
Before it was PLD, right?
Yeah, PLD.
So now it's
Now
called PRD.
PRD, correct.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is how we can do mass processing.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can I ask a question? Maybe you convert both of them in the April month. I see
Yeah,
the second one was converted in June.
yeah.
Is that right?
Not converted. Yeah, that is right. Why it went to the June is we will see. Okay. So,
Okay, okay.
for example, you can see, you can open this one, production
Yeah,
order in display mode.
yeah,
It should be, start should be in the April only. Okay, started. Okay.
yeah.
But ending is in the month of June. Why
Oh,
it is
okay,
going
got it.
to June is,
Mhm.
means to manufacture one item, you require certain time. Go to the here operations.
Yeah.
Okay. So here you can see each operation, what is the start and end time, how much time it is taking.
Oof.
You
Yeah,
can see end dates.
Mhm.
got it,
So
got
it
it.
is taking that much time for each operation.
Mhm.
Reason
Uh-huh.
is in the routing you maintain that much date and time.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, you can see it is starting on 23rd processing 100 hours. So it is ending on,
5-3.
yeah. And
Mhm.
again after 5-3, second operation is starting for 200 hours, 23rd.
5-3. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Why
Yeah.
200? Example 200 hours means per day
One
maybe
month.
you are,
Yes, yes.
yeah, per day you are using maybe 14 hours.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely its effects are a different date and
Yeah, correct. Okay. So system, even though earlier planned order is in the April, but when you convert this planned order to production order, system actually calculates how much time as per your routing
Mhm.
it is taking, it will calculate.
Mhm.
Okay. In
Yeah.
our
from
work center,
yeah,
per day we put the 14 hours.
yeah,
Okay.
the routing will calculate from the work center and
Correct.
relationship with the hours and the end time they calculate, and then that will be effect on your MRP.
Correct. Exactly. Okay. So in this example, you can take straight away this example 200 hours,
Mhm.
14 hours per day you are working. So
Mhm.
200 hours means how many hours it will take? So how
Sorry,
many
what you
days
saying?
I'm saying? 200
Like
hours to process?
like five
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
5 weeks.
15.
almost 15 days.
Yes.
Okay, 15 days. 15 days from here means third it is starting, 3rd of May it is starting, 3rd,
Yeah.
4th and 5th is holidays. Okay, so that means one day here, 6 days, and then here it is almost coming to 23rd, 15 days.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that is the reason it is showing the 23rd. Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
this calculation you must understand. If you understand means you are good. Okay,
Yeah.
how this is coming. Okay,
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
now I hope you are clear how it is coming. Okay,
Sure. Yeah.
routing and work center, from there it is coming. Okay,
Right.
okay, good.
That's the production order is mostly relationship with the work center routing.
Yeah,
They
correct.
calculate, and that will affects on your MRP running.
Not MRP. MRP is starting actually. Yeah, during MRP also it will calculate, but
Mm,
not like detail like production order.
mm,
In the production order, it will calculate in detail.
and production order, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So is it clear this mass processing?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Yeah. Absolutely. It's clear. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So not only these activities, you can do multiple activities. For example, planned order. You can open this one. Not only conversion, you can do delete also. You created some planned orders, you want to delete them. You can select this, enter in the selection, you can select the material and you can select and delete.
Mhm.
Okay, so like this multiple actions you can do. Okay,
And when you select this material, plan order material, even deletion or anything, then you go for execute, right?
yeah, same thing. For
Okay.
example, I selected delete material and planned, execute.
Mhm.
Okay, you want to delete this planned order, select this planned order, same, execute,
Mhm.
execute. So this planned order will get deleted, 5872.
Mhm.
If you go and check in MD04, it won't be there. 5872. Presently 5872 is there. Okay, and
Mhm.
just click on refresh. It is not there now. Okay, so like this, in this transaction, what are the functions are there? Those you can do as a mass processing.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay,
clear?
clear. Yes, clear. Yes.
Okay, so now this is about the mass processing. Okay, mass processing you can do for planned orders and production orders also. Okay, now with this, almost the subtopics and main topic is completed. Okay, now in any business, if any process is completed, then finally what you will see at the end of the day, you need to see the reports.
Right.
Correct,
Mhm.
you want to see the reports.
Mhm.
Okay, so in PP also we have the report, standard reports. Okay, so in this, mainly only one is the report. From there you can get all the information
I see.
related to production.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is transaction code for this one is COOIS. Okay,
COOIS.
this is also called COIS.
Mhm.
Transaction code is COIS, somebody will call, but the transaction code is COIS.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
now COHV and COISR looks like same only. COHV will have the additional button mass processing, but
Mhm.
COIS won't have that button. Okay,
Sorry. What you mean?
yeah, I will show you that.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, now I am going to the COHV. mass processing transaction. You can see COH we have in the two buttons here, two tabs. One is selection
Yeah, two tabs.
and another one is mass processing.
Matrix,
These
yeah.
two are there. Okay.
Yeah.
But in COIS,
You have
only
only.
selection button will be there. You don't have mass processing because this is a report. Mass processing is a activity. Okay.
Mass
So
processing activity.
now you want to see some kind of report. What kind of report you want to see? Nicholas, can you tell me what information you want to see in orders? Example.
Yeah, for example, the entire planet order, for example, or the entire production order I have.
Yeah. You want to see entire production orders. Okay.
Yes,
Here,
in one
entire.
site, in one plant.
Yeah. Okay. So here you can enter the plant number. Okay. And just execute.
Yeah,
Okay. All these are
yeah.
the your production orders for
Can
all the
you
billion cities.
can you go back one more time, please?
Yeah.
Or maybe can I see in the same? There is a possibility to see the entire sale, all the sales order, for example.
This is related to only production orders only.
Okay,
Production only.
I'm sorry.
Sales orders.
Okay. But we can make make to order. Since we are doing make to order, we can see how many sales orders. No.
No. No.
No. Okay. We can
Okay.
stay in the production. Yeah. No problem.
Okay, can you execute now for the next screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, from here, this is the report I told you, but somebody want to see this data in an Excel file. Okay. So you can export this data into Excel file. You expand this button. In the starting, you have a arrow button here, triangle. You click on this button and you will get the more buttons here. Then you click on this export button
Okay.
and
Yeah.
select a spreadsheet.
One second. Now, when you say click this button here, this will highlight the spreadsheet, bring the
No,
whole
yeah,
order,
yeah.
right?
When I press this button, it will highlight this one. So then click on spreadsheet.
Now, what is that arrow indicate? The last,
No,
the
no.
black
The
arrow.
arrow indicate means it is expanding this menu.
Oh,
If
okay.
you click this one, it just
I see.
expand this menu.
That menu. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then in that menu, you select this.
Next one. Yeah, this
Yeah.
one.
Export button.
Yeah, and
And
this
then select the
spread
spreadsheet.
spreadsheets. Yeah.
So here you can select the format. Okay.
Select the format. Yeah.
Yeah. And click OK button.
Yeah.
So and you can select the file name here and path. Okay. COIS and save it. So it will ask you allow. Now you can see the data has come in Excel file.
All are in sequence.
Correct.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I have the possibility to see, for example, all the planet order for date range. for example,
Yes, yes,
certain week,
yes.
1 week.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yes, exactly. I will show you that
mm,
example now.
yeah, yeah,
So Nicholas want to see only particular days. You don't want to see, you want to see only in the month of April, what are the orders. So you can
yeah.
come back in the selection
And put
screen in the bottom,
Mhm.
you
date
will have
range.
the dates also. Dates also. You can scroll down. Okay. Here you can see header level, start date.
Oh,
Okay.
great.
Start
Date to
date
date.
which is in the month of April. You want to see.
Mm-hmm.
Start date which is having in the month of April, date range till month of
Mm-hmm.
end. The
Mm-hmm.
orders which is having a start date from this range, you want to see the orders. So you
Mm-hmm.
can select it and you can execute. Now you can see only orders which are there. Oh, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one which are there in the April only it will show you.
Just one
Yeah,
Same
second.
thing, you want to see the particular date only, you can select the date only.
yeah,
We don't have more many orders, so I did not select. For example, you want to see which are going to start on 23rd, you want to select. So it will show you only these two orders.
yeah.
Okay.
Now, since we are talking about this
Mm,
from the beginning,
mm,
and you start this uh, make to stock,
mm,
right?
mm.
So now, after the make to stock, do we go to back to make to order, or it's not necessary?
No, I will tell you the make to order also.
I
Okay.
see. I see.
So make to order only the difference is that sales order. That's all. Remaining whatever I'm discussing now, all are common.
What is the difference you see?
Sales order creation.
Sales order creation. Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
Sales. Yeah.
So if it is a make to order scenario also, the COYS, this mass processing, this report, these are common. It won't
Yeah.
change as per the your make to stock or make to order. Okay.
Yeah. Sales order. That's VD01 or something like this.
VA01.
VA01. Is this
Yeah.
sales order is the responsibility for the PP or the SD people
No.
create?
SD
I'm sorry.
people.
I see.
SD people. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, uh, Nicholas, can you tell me another kind of report you want to see? Important thing.
I can look at the production order during for 1 week, for example. I'm looking for my
Okay.
production order for 1 week, and then I will look at my production order for one
Mm,
planner planner order, for example. Does
okay.
mean yeah.
Okay. Planned order means you can select this one, checkbox.
Production order.
Yeah. Okay. Now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What we saw in the beginning, planner or
Yeah.
planet or
Production
yeah.
orders.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so
Now.
we see the opposite now. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the planned orders here and select and execute. That is fine. Okay. Now I will tell you one more thing. Now, last 4 or 5 days we did the confirmations, goods movements, Migo and everything. So
Mhm.
generally, as a production person, I want to see what is my yesterday production.
Mhm.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
people, somebody has confirmed goods movements and everything. Migo is done. So I want
Mhm.
to see what is yesterday my production. So how can I see? That is a report actually. End of the day, I should know how much I produced. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Okay.
look
Can you?
at the production order and you put the date yesterday date.
Yeah. Not
Yeah.
that one. I will show you in a different way. You
Can
can
you?
see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I want to see what is the other functions that we like. You put the material or prompt, then you put bottom date wise. Can you go down? I want to see that what other options or what other activities that we have that we
Yeah.
can we can.
All these buttons you can see. Dates. in the production order you will have a different dates. You
Uh-huh.
can see those dates actually.
And correct it's correct relative finish date. I see.
Start
Okay.
date, end date, release date, all these dates will be there in the production order. So by which date you want to select, you can select. You can enter the date details here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then now you want to see what are the goods movements has happened for order. Okay.
Yeah.
Then here in the list, you can select the list.
I see.
Okay.
Mhm.
For example, you want to see the goods movements. So you can see, you can select the option called, where is that option? Goods movements,
Goods movement with here.
not with, we don't, this one, documented goods movements.
I see.
Okay. You
Mhm.
can select that option in the
Mhm.
list
Mhm.
and enter the plant and execute.
Mhm.
Oh, goods movements are not coming. Okay.
Now maybe you would have all the good movement related to HD, everything, you know.
No, no, no. One config setting is missing. So that is the reason it is not coming. But otherwise it will come. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me correct it. SPRO. I'm correcting it in the configuration. Otherwise it will come all the goods movements actually. Production, shop floor control, operations, confirmation. Yeah, okay.
Needs to take the goods movement.
Yeah, this one is dates, quantities proposed. This is proposed. Where is goods movements? This is error handling. That option.
Is our order type is correct?
No, no, no. Just I'm checking the option actually. It's not correct. I know. I'm checking the where is that option. Check.
Yeah, good movement is the down. It is down. I saw it. You saw it, maybe? Yeah, down. All component GR for co-product
No,
down.
no,
Is that
not
right?
this
What
one.
you are looking for?
No, yeah, that is not the correct option.
Okay.
Single screen entry. No, not this. No, where is that? Hmm, yeah, yeah, okay. So this is a, so here in the order types actually, this is the configuration setting, define order type dependent parameters.
Mm.
Go here and select our plant and order type. This is our plant 3001 and PP01 is our order type. Go to the details and in the implementation tab, here you can see documentation of goods movements. Documentation means you need to tick mark this GR of production and planned unplanned issues. If you tick mark this one, so whatever the movements you are doing for this order will display in that report. If these tick marks are not there, it won't display your goods movements. Migo will happen, but in that report it won't show you.
Okay. can you go and work on it, and we will see it show it. Then I need the menu path for from SPRO2.
Okay. So I'm just saving it.
Uh,
Okay. Save. So now I'm going back. So this is the menu path: production, shop floor control, master data, order, and order type dependent parameters.
just 1 second. Okay,
So
now
before that, yeah, Nicholas, can we continue the class tomorrow, or you? Because why I'm asking is, you want to practice the
Yeah.
complete cycle till now, so
yes,
you wanted 2 days break
yes.
Yeah.
That's I was
Yeah.
trying.
We can do that. Yeah.
because you need to complete. Cycle is completed.
Yes,
Okay,
Yeah.
and
uh,
sub processes reports also completed.
yes.
You
Yeah.
That's
did,
why I was trying to say that at least we need a day or two gap that we have
yeah,
to work on it and reach where you
yeah,
are right now. That complete the cycle, and during
okay,
complete the cycle, I mean,
yeah,
there is a lot of error comes. So definitely we have to concern with you.
correct,
Now,
correct.
the other thing is we are a student, you are a teacher. I'm not comparing my knowledge with your knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. So
So,
can we take a break of 2 days?
Yeah. Okay.
yes,
We start back Sunday, Monday. Your Monday morning does mean our Sunday night, or when you need
Correct,
us to go
correct.
back?
Monday. We will start on Monday.
Your Monday, your
Does mean
Monday
Uh,
you?
evening.
yeah, our Monday, right?
That means
Does mean
3 days.
we'll have a 3 day break?
Yeah, we have a lot of things, you don't,
Okay.
whatever Nicholas decide what you can do.
I don't mind myself. I don't mind, but I feel like if we need 3 days, it's okay. 3 days we can almost be around where we
Yeah.
are now because we have the order conversion. Then we have the backflash,
Mm,
and then we have the automatic conversion, and then we
yes.
have the capacity.
Yeah,
This four things which I do.
capacity
Yeah,
level. Yes. Yes.
yeah.
So I'm trying to say, is it possible we can start on a Monday, which is 22?
Monday evening.
Yeah,
Correct.
Uh,
Your Monday
yeah,
evening.
Monday evening, our
yeah.
Monday evening. Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay. One more thing is, if you get any issues or stuck in any issues, you can drop a mail. I
Mm,
will reply to that.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope you will reply at least within a very short period of time that you can continue it.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe you are very busy. Is that right, Wasu? How many
Yeah.
how many projects you are working on
Maybe
actually?
maybe it's a weekend. Maybe you are at home, or maybe you are in a village. Maybe you are in. So how if we drop the mail and you are busy someplace, we not get the answer at the same time.
Yeah. Generally, I will check the mails. Okay. I
Yeah.
will check the mails and I will reply. Don't worry. But
Okay.
it
Good.
may
Okay.
not be the immediate because it is your daytime and my nighttime or some timings here differences. But I will reply.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
reply from your experience
Mobile.
because you
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
reply from the system and it
Correct,
show
correct.
us.
Sure,
Yeah. Just
definitely.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Thank you.
our next class is on your Monday evening.
Monday
Okay.
evening.
Yeah.
By
Yeah.
that time, you should complete all this, and I will ask you the questions also.
Yes.
Okay. If
Yeah.
you
I
can
hope you
explain.
could. We will answer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll answer.
Okay. If you
Okay.
get,
Definitely, when you do the cycle, then
yeah.
you will face a lot of things, and then you can answer
Correct.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I will send this
Okay.
Excel also now, so you
Uh-huh.
can see the refer the Excel file also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent. Please. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks
Okay.
a lot,
Bye.
Wasu,
Thank
and have a good
you. Yeah.
weekend, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.